Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S70 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button in the right corner. So hi again. Now we have to slide simply to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and let's move to bottom to camera settings. Here we can find the front mirror option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on our camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.